here from the Sewing Channel. Today I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my brand new sewing machine. My machine is made by Brother and it's from the Quilt Club series and it is a BQ 1350. I bought my machine at Alco Sewing Center in Mentor, Ohio. And oh my word, they have tons of sewing stuff there. That's Mark. He can fix anything. All the links to Alco Sewing will be in the description box. If you go to Alco, be sure to tell Mark the Sewing Channel sent you. So the first thing, let me show you the book here. We're going to wind a bobbin. This is the first time I've ever used this, so bear with me. I'm just going on the knowledge that I have already, which probably isn't too much. Number 1 says to lift this, we did that. Number 2 says to put the bobbin on there. Number 3, push it there. Number 4, lift this up. Oh, it only does that. It only goes that far. Oh, I thought it was broke at first. Okay, so it only goes that far. And now the thread always goes on a particular way on a sewing machine. So it always wants to come from away, which that's the only way that it comes, right? So under this. Now if you watched any of my other videos, we already know that this one right here is going to be too small. So the thread, when it comes out, will catch along the edge. So you always want to put a bigger disc on there. Now mind you, not this big. I don't know what in the world that's for, but okay. Here's the disc that I want. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there like that. And I have not watched any tutorials on how to thread this, so this ought to be fun. Go 1 on this. Oh, under. Okay, I see what's going on here. So when you put this through here, it goes down like that. Goes into that slot. Goes up here and back this way. There's that. Now it's already pushed toward there, which is odd because my other one did not do that. So then it says wrap it clockwise. There's a little knife on the bottom of that bobbin where that comes off to fast. And then put it on, it's already on. The start button, or if the pedal's plugged in, the pedal. So I got the pedal plugged in, so let's see. Look at here, it says winding bobbin thread. Oh my word, my machine never talked to me like that. Then it stops when it's done. Snip right here. And then push this back, lift off. I mean, this is pretty self-explanatory. We took the bobbin off and then it says to press this button here. This one. Maybe not. It says use the presser foot lifter to lower the presser foot. Oh, it means to press it up, so maybe I should have had it down. I don't know, it didn't say. Well, or I didn't read it. Presser foot's down. I had a Brother, I still have a Brother. It was acting up the other day. But I think you want this up, don't you, when you put the, where's up? Oh, that's up, that's kind of cool. Okay, to get the bobbin in there. Pull that out. And I know to go this way and then this way with that. Because I have one that does exactly the same thing. Yeah, presser foot up it says to put the bobbin in. We gotta thread the machine, okay. It says turn it off. Do we really turn our machine off when we thread? I don't know. I'm gonna though, because it says to, but I don't think I usually do. Lift the presser foot up, it's showing manually there. Put this wheel over here, match it up with the line. It's saying, and always move your wheel towards you. That's why I tell people, make sure you use the right disc. You see how that catches in there? Now it says to essentially do the same thing. Lift this up, put this on, put the disc on there, and go in front of this and around. So this has to be in the upright position. Take up lever there. Oh, I'm getting excited. My last video I did, my machine was giving me fits and I could feel like there was something not right with it, but you know, I kept sewing just to finish that last video I did. And if you want, I'll link it right up here, the last video. that I did with my other machine, and it was causing me birds' nests and just, it was making kind of a noise. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to take it to Alco Sewing and have them look at it, just so I can use it as a second machine. What that means? Like the hand wheel, maybe? I would have to do it that way. You never push your, or you never wind your sewing machine that way. You always go this way. So I'm not, I don't know. So you weave it through, and then it says to push this. And now I'm gonna put it right through that little, right through the lever there. Do I pull that? What do I do with that? It looks like I take it up in here somewhere. I grab the thread there, and then there's a lever over here that we have to push. Oh wow, that threaded that. That is crazy. Now it says to lift it up. I can't wait to sew with this thing. Let's see what this machine can sew. Okay, let's see what these feed dogs can do. Alright, so let's just sew and see what happens. Oh my word, it purrs. Holy cow. This thing purrs like a kitten. What in the world? Are you for real? This is how. Oh, let's do the automatic thread. Oh. Oh my word. It cuts itself. Oh my goodness, look at this. You just don't know what you've been missing until you get it in front of you and you're like, oh, hey, I've been missing that. This is my new machine, and I'm sure I will absolutely be in love with it. Here's all the little bits that came with my sewing machine, and there are a ton. I'm sure that once I get going and playing with it, I'll learn all of it. Let me know in the comments below, what's the name of your sewing machine? Until next time on the Sewing Channel, take care.
Have a nice weekend.